Hey everybody, Lisa here from Call That Girl with another video newsletter. This week in the email you got, I have 2 videos in there. I recommend checking out the first one at least for sure. That's an Outlook online tutorial. And what I go through there is the back end of Outlook that you don't see in your desktop. And that's where if you get hacked and phished, the scammers go in and change your settings so they can get your email, they can delete your email, forward it to themselves, create rules so your emails go in the deleted items, the typical things. Those aren't done in Outlook on the desktop. That's all in the back end of Office 365, okay? So check out that video. It's real short. But I did find out, unfortunately, that there's a whole new version of that coming out. So I might have to do an updated one. But if I do, I will let you know here. The second video is one that Adam and I did, how to install a solid-state hard drive. And I got to tell you that I was really kind of nervous to do it, but it was a really fun experience. So if you have an old hard drive and you're interested in getting a new solid-state hard drive, the video might be helpful, but you might want to hire Adam to help you just in case. Finally, I'm going to have a winter webinar series coming up here soon. I'll probably run through hopefully March or April. I've been asked to do training for clients for a long time, and I decided, you know what, I think webinars is what I need to do because, you know, I can make them cost effective and I could do many different ones and have events kind of rolling all the time. So there's going to be a static page for the webinars. It's callthatgirl.biz/webinars. And I'm also going to have it on my callthatgirl.com site, which is callthatgirl.com/webinars. You can go to either site. That main page is going to have all my events listed, and my first one that's coming up is SharePoint Basics. A lot of folks just think OneDrive is all you can use, and that's not enough. SharePoint is what you really need if you're doing business and need a lot more, you know, if you need to share files outside your company more and you want to do more things. I cover it in the webinar, and I spent a lot of time making a really good outline for you folks. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give a $50 discount for everybody that signs up. Typically, it's going to be $100, but I'm going to kick it off with a $50 discount to get started. My other webinars are probably going to be $100 each also, but I will have discount coupons and codes for people on my newsletter list and things like that. I'm really excited to do them. I think it's time for me to start teaching more people things I do, and I'm also taking requests. So if you have anything that you want done, just let me know. That's it, folks, for this week. You can reach me at 612-865-4475 or email me, lisa@callthatgirl.biz. And one final note, I did get a new phone number, so if you are a past client, call my old one. You're going to get my service until everybody gets adjusted to the new phone number. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video, too. Thanks, folks, and see you next time. Bye-bye.